Welcome to our channel where we compare the best tech products in the market. In today's video, we'll compare the TP-Link Deco M5 and the Google Wi-Fi System. Both of these products promise to deliver seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. In this video, we'll look at different categories and decide which product is the best fit for you. Don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. If you're looking for a Wi-Fi system that can cover large homes, then the Deco M5 is the clear winner. It can cover up to 5,500 square feet with 3 units, while Google Wi-Fi System can only cover up to 4,500 square feet with the same number of units. Both products offer stable Wi-Fi coverage. However, the Deco M5 uses adaptive routing technology that automatically selects the fastest path for every device. This ensures that all devices will receive the best possible speeds. The Google Wi-Fi System uses network assist technology to select the clearest channel and fastest band for your devices. The setup process for both products is straightforward. However, the TP-Link Deco M5 has an advantage because it has an easy-to-use app that can guide you throughout the process. It also allows you to customize and prioritize devices. The Google Wi-Fi System can also be set up via an app, but with fewer customization options. The TP-Link Deco M5 comes with TP-Link Home Care, which is a lifetime subscription that offers advanced security features such as antivirus, parental control, and quality of service. Google Wi-Fi System also provides privacy and security features, but with a premium subscription. However, the Deco M5 provides more comprehensive security in its lifetime subscription with no additional cost. TP-Link Deco M5's price tag is $144, while the Google Wi-Fi System is much cheaper at $48. However, it's worth mentioning that the Deco M5 provides better coverage and more advanced security options compared to the Google Wi-Fi System. And that's it. We've compared both products side by side. If you have a large home and prioritize coverage and security, the TP-Link Deco M5 is the better choice. If you're looking for a more affordable option with basic features, then the Google Wi-Fi System is a good fit for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech comparison videos.